Hi there! You are about to watch a little silly video that I prepared, and I just want to say that this is going to be super loud. Please, if you're using your headphones, I advise you to lower the volume as much as you can because I don't want to blow your ear holes. I did some really loud parts because, haha, I'm funny. I really hope you enjoy it. Lower your volume, have fun, and yeah, I will please leave a like and subscribe.
But it is something that you cannot do all the time alone. Fucking hell. It is so difficult to not use that word. Fuck! Please picture your anxiety talking as Gilbert Gottfried. You're worthless! I'm holding out for a hero, and I mean the sandwich. Well, he's trying. Look at this. Doesn't that face say stuff me? There you go. It says stuff me. Right here. A rump roast right there. It's ready for basting, everybody. You know what goes really well with coffee and Dunkin' Donuts? A lobster. Have you ever had a fucking lobster? You're just down there and you're like, ASMR. Hey. Bruh. Fuck you, Kelsey, stupido. I literally cannot keep a straight face. Hey man. You ever...
Wow.
Hey man, you ever kick on, haven't you?
Quote of the day, I can't see unless I look.
Shut the fuck up! Short film, a set wish. I wish for the big swishy. The end. Roll credits. D&D, Dick and Dice. Hey, now I'm interested. Hey man, hey, you wanna come for a swim? Don't worry, we're really fun. And secretly, there's just like, Don't we love when that Welcome to VR chat. Welcome to VR chat.
Yeah, just by the fireplace. I'm looking so good. Yeah, let me spread my legs to you, baby.
The fucking. Guys, and remember, it's not sassy. It's DiGiorno. Fuck is my favorite. It's important for the audio. It means ear. If you put an N instead, ano means ass. Happy ass ear. Happy new ass, everybody. I am about to shake your ass. I don't enjoy spraying cream in my mouth. I am not thinking of Shrek's 11-inch uncut hog. Okay. I can't keep up. Stop. That's 4, 5, 6, 7. Bruh. Nothing's more intimidating than schmooky pookums. Let me slip into something more comfortable here. Like a coma. Just kind of like, that's right. Is that an ice cream truck? It is an ice cream truck. That all goes towards cheese and genuinely talk.
Yeah, slow and steady rails the horse, or however the saying goes.
I'm sorry, what?
Ooh, my 5 guys are at the door. Woo.
Here I sit, broken-hearted. I really wish I hadn't farted. Just, I preferred mid-grippy. You've heard of Big Swishy. You're not ready for Big Grippy. You just got a Big Grippy. The pet's alright, moving on. Holy shit, it's a Lulu. Hi.
Hey, fuck you.
Right, look at that. Isn't that precious? I whipped it out in front of a couple people. Whip it out, right? I don't think you're ready for that. I don't think you're ready. Oh God, it's showing. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, it's a mocha. Hi. An adjustable spanner for twisting nuts. I mean, my name is D's. The former bikini enthusiast. Those chains in the background have issues. Oh, biking and. I hope you're having a great time.
But there's something in your hair.
Shit, really? Wait, I don't have any hair. Asete! Get off of my tail! I knew you were there! I knew it! Look at him! Come here. Ugh, fuck. God damn it. He's a rascal. You're a rascal. You know that? You're a fucking rascal. Yuck.
Steamy.
Pepto-Abysmal. Pepto-Abysmal. It's such a great term, Pepto-Abysmal. How do you feel today? Oh, I'm just kind of feeling a little Pepto-Abysmal, I'm flying, Peter. I can fly. Wait, hang on. I'm flying away. Ooh. things to put on a bumper sticker. Come here, little guy. No, don't escape. Come back here. Why are you getting away? Get back. No, that's cheating. How are you getting away? God damn it. Silly little chicken nugget, come back here. You know what bothers me about that? Because I just read it as testicles. Hi Beans, Lulu here, and today I'm gonna give you Destroying My Mouse ASMR. Suck on my boy! Oh my Christ, why is this so large? That's what she said. Oh, fuck no. End. IF. That's nice, Fox. I don't need to hear about your sex life. If it touches and don't work it, wait, hang on, wait, what? You're not wrong. I feel cock. That's sussy. That's not sussy. You just feel cock. Apologies, I appear to have accidentally hit your ball with my balls. Pyrex. Eat cocky.
Fetch the crowbar.
Fetch your mom. Asete, don't you have titties to doodle? Get some food, get some water, go touch grass, go touch an ass. It can be your own if you don't have another one. Give a nice little booty smack there. I'm so weird. I don't know what the hell's wrong with me. You scummy thing. I'm gonna start sending you smut. I'm gonna send you porn. It's the tism, Lulu? God damn. No, I'm sorry. It's the rhythm. Thank you, Darkfire, for giving me your meat. Ooh, woo. Welcome to Cafe Doc Rose. I can't even do it. And then, in that room, where it's just the two of us, we held hands. Oh my God. Walks close to the bean. I want to see my cock. And then just gets arrested. In the jail, he's like, hat, my cock hat. Sent to jail because the pause was too long. Hey baby, call me Napoleon, cause I want to poke your cock. This one is just laid out better in my brain. It just makes more sense. Titties. Fuck this hole. I mean, that sounds decent in context too. You need to actually get that platform or you will not get in. It is very difficult. You know what, Pyrex? You can get fucked. I will whip out my oh, sorry. Babbity boobity. I'm gonna have trouble shoobiting. Eyes. Hi, everybody. How are you? My ass is aggressive. Putting the ass in mass chaos. Woo.
Top me, daddy.
Really? Asete, get him. Oh my God! Biggest comeback in history! Holy shit! A coma of tacos too. Tacoma. Oh hi. Hello. I'd say you loaded into my ass, but that has connotation.
Hello.
Ow!
What are you gonna do, Bambi?
Yes, I am. Bap. Ooh! Oh! Because you can like flex, and it does. I don't get the appeal, but I'll be your daddy. Validate me harder, hottie. Support celestial. What are you doing? Did you just go and purposely find everybody and murder? Friends, countrymen.
Lend me your balls.
You just want to see me like this? Did you hear that? Don't give that face.
Go to your room, you're grounded.
No, but I don't want to go. I don't want to go to my room. I want to go to your room. Woo. Hey, don't look in there. Hey, that's disgusting. Don't do that. Don't do that. What? Hey, oi. Guys, my balls are large. Ols the Cheetah, welcome on in. Thank you very much for the follow. Right now I'm Lulu, but normally I'm Landon. It's so very nice to meet you. Welcome to the cafe. You can fuck yourself. And I mean, me doing a courtship dance to Senna with tiny hands. She will fall for the cuteness and my cock. I deadpanned when somebody asked me, did you cock the gun? I said, no, I'm too big to fit in the chamber. Why are you at the gym? I'm trying to lose weight. I'm trying to be healthier. Why are you going to the gym? I want to wrestle alligators. Hat. I can show you the Boston. Shining, shimmering better than Austin. Look at this view. You just get...
I can show my ass if there's no ass on.
Wet Wednesdays.
And then he touched her leg.
don't think that would be very attractive, man.
And then he did the thing. And then she went, oh,
Look, it's your birthday, Zeance. Here's some cake. 20 minutes. Get the job done, peace pal. Commit, right? That's like put on
This is how it
everybody
feels to
again.
chew 5 gum.
Hey, Asete. Hey, Asete. Ooh, I forgot. Oh, hello. No. Why is it? Wait, why? I'm like hovering around him, and I'm just like, yeah. I'm just sitting here, and he's just staring at cake the entire time. Oh, baby, you're such a good 0110000101110. I'm just doing this because of the tail. The tail curls. Look at the tail. Look at the tail move. Big Bang Landon. Sure, that would be my porn name. Did you get this giant Think Like Van Helsing werewolf, right? And it's like drooling and angry and aggressive, and it goes, yeah.
Granddaddy, let me get you some Epsom salts. I've got the Bengay around here somewhere. No, don't get up. Save your bad knees. Ooh, woo.
Thank you for the 500 bits, Stitchery. Thank you for the bits. I appreciate it. And I'll gurgle. I have to make cake, but I see you already have cake. Ooh, woo. Ooh, woo. See something you like? Ooh. Hi, everybody. On today's episode of Cooking with Landon, I'll tell you how to cook. Yay! I want you to take the cow, walk it through the kitchen, make it look at the oven, smack its ass into the dining room, and then I'll eat it. End. When we were walking into Dick's. This is the, what the fuck? Welcome to WWW. Not World Wide Web, but Weed Wisdom Wednesday. You're doing the
Think Moto like you.
Puma, look like a Puma pants. Pyrax, you have
Eat your last hob.
you are all at least worth 2 Snickers bars. Ah. Wow, Asete. Wow.
You're such a good vegetable, with love to Gima.
Great vegetables.
Remember Landon playing game? Pepperidge Farms remembers
Shut the
when
fuck
Landon
up.
played games.
Congratulations, you two. Look at you. You are fucking done. Go to bed, Bean. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. Set, for fuck's sake. Things are dumb now. Things are very dumb. I hate the world, right? It's awful. But it can be better with your very own cock.